The channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to fix your computer. For example, if you're using your computer and it is lagging or it's becoming slow, or you're running some works on it and you notice that your computer is running very slow, so you don't need to panic. You don't need to start running Etoscata, start finding someone you're going to give your computer to fix for you. You can run it by yourself. So the best thing you have to do, you click on your window key, window plus R. It opens this command. When it opens, you type in sysdm.cpl. You enter. When it opens, you go to hardware, you go to advanced, come on performance, you click on settings. When you click on settings, go to adjust best performance, you click on it, then you apply, then okay, then you see your computer will start running very fast and smooth. If you find this educative, please kindly subscribe to the channel, comment and also share. Thank you till we see next time. Peace out.